My people, how una dey? Before them carry camera come Africa, before white man even sabi road reach here, Lagos don already dey hustle. The lagoon dey full every day. People dey paddle canoe up and down like fish wey no get break. But wetin people know dey talk na the kind market wey been dey happen for that time, slavery. Men, women, even pikin, dem go carry dem go chain, come go sell them. Like say dem be goat. Oyubo ships dey line up for sea, like say dem dey wait for concert. And for middle of all the gbe, na Lagos be the capital of the slave export for the whole West Africa. Oba Kosoko no be just anyhow king. This man na lion. He rise from royal blood, Lagos pikin, but he no get the throne with begging. He collect am with power, with charm, and with juju. Kosoko dey protect the business wey dey bring money, slave trade. That one na him own version of national cake. He no just dey sit for palace. The man sabi war, sabi politics, and sabi how to make people fear am. For him palace, soldiers full ground, juju men full house, and spies full street. Anybody wey try plan against am, na ground go chop them. But he get one person, Oba Akitoye, him cousin, wey go run, go later bring wahala back like thunder. Before Kosoko climb throne, na Akitoye dey rule. But the crown heavy for Akitoye neck. Him no fit hold am. Kosoko take advantage, carry the throne sharp sharp. Akitoye run comot like thief. But instead of disappear, he go dey look for help. And who he find? British people. The same people wey dey pretend say they want end slavery, but deep down na control of trade them dey find. Akitoye go promise them say, if una help me collect back my throne, I go stop slave trade. I go open Lagos for una. British nod head, and na so the trap set. December 1851. Na that month everything scatter. British carry one mighty warship, HMS Bloodhound. E no come play. Dem dock near Lagos, carry cannon, carry marine soldiers, and fire begin rain. Kosoko no fear, he ready. He don put juju round the city. Him warriors dey ground, arrow dey gun, charms, everything done ready. The first day, na boom, cannon balls fly. Second day, Lagos dey shake. Third day, fire catch palace, blood full sand. But no matter how them fight, British firepower too heavy. And after 3 days of serious Lagos fall. Kosoko no die, he escape. Enter Epe bush with him loyal men. Disappear into swamp. But the throne no dey wait for anybody. British carry Akitoye come back, smiling like pikin wey win biscuit. Dem install am sharp sharp. Give am crown, give am title. But everybody know say, now Oyinbo dey remote control the man like small radio. Akitoye begin do wetin dem tell am, stop slave trade, open port for British, allow missionaries, allow customs. Peace no dey. Na control begin. And Lagos enter another kind of bondage, this time na colonial bondage. From 1851 reach 1861, Lagos change face. Slave trade reduce small small, but the Oyinbo grip increase like Pali for NYSC camp. In 1861, British just carry pen and Lagos turn official colony. Dem begin build road, build church, build school. But at the same time, dem dey build wall between us and our culture. Children begin learn Queen English. Women begin wear lace from Europe. Our gods dey pushed aside. Our kings dey sign paper dem no sabi read. Na new Lagos, but na also new wahala. Kosoko lose crown, but him never lose respect. That man stand for something. Even with small weapons, him no bow. Him story na proof say African people no just sit down take slap. We get kings wey resist. We get warriors wey say no. Kosoko story no be shame, na strength. E dey remind us say history no start with Oyinbo, and Africa no be weak continent. Make we remember am, make we teach am. Because if we forget who we be, we go dey waka like people wey no know road. This na Pidgin Gistory, African, where we dey yarn our real story for your ear, raw and straight from the roots. If this history touch your heart, shock your belly, or make you proud of where you come from, no dull. Like this video, drop your own comment, and press that red button, subscribe sharp sharp, because the bid of Africa never end, we dey just start.